Smart wallets have evolved from simple card holders to compact, feature-rich carry solutions that blend RFID protection, quick access mechanisms, and tracking capabilities. For urban professionals and travelers, the right wallet can reduce clutter, improve security, and prevent misplacement through tech like AirTag integration.
List number 1. AirTag Wallet for Men. This KickVest wallet is built around an AirTag-friendly design with a dedicated holder and a robust aluminum carbon fiber chassis. It promises RFID blocking, a pop-up card mechanism, and capacity for 12-plus cards plus cash, plus an internal money clip. The carbon fiber aesthetic plus aluminum construction gives a premium, rigid feel with a relatively light weight of 4.5 ounces. The inclusion of an ID window and a dedicated AirTag slot emphasizes tracking as a core use case, suitable for frequent travelers and commuters who want to minimize bulk while retaining traceability. Real-world use reveals standout performance in quick access. The one-click pop-up mechanism enables rapid card retrieval, which is essential in contactless payments and transit uses. However, the user must heed the caution about clipping cash. The spec notes best magnetic effect when not clipping more than 5 bills, implying the money clip's magnetic field might interfere with certain cards if overloaded. Its RFID protection is described as advanced, providing solid defense against skimming. The trade-offs include a higher price point for the premium materials and the need to supply an AirTag separately, which adds to total cost if you don't already own one.
List number 2. Wallet for Men, wallet with slim pop-up card holder, 9 to 13 cards. Samorid's wallet emphasizes an aluminum pop-up card system with an expanded cash slot and a 2-layer carrying capacity. The design supports 9 to 13 cards, depending on how many live in the aluminum eject mechanism, 9 to 13 cards, and an auxiliary leather cover with an ID window. It combines carbon fiber and 6061 space-grade aluminum with a leather accent, delivering a unique tactile mix and a visually striking two-tone look. The device weighs about 0.16 kilograms and measures 2.76 by 0.67 by 3.94 inches, making it compact for front pocket carry while maintaining substantial card capacity and a secure closure with magnets. In terms of daily use, the eject mechanism is the highlight. Pressing the button reveals cards in a stepped fashion for quick retrieval, which is a real differentiator for users who frequently switch between cards or need rapid access at checkout or transit gates. The expandable back slot adds real-world flexibility for storing cash or additional cards, a design choice that reduces the need for a separate money clip. However, the reliance on a mechanical ejector introduces potential durability concerns over the long term and may require periodic maintenance to ensure smooth operation. The combination of aluminum and leather balances durability with a premium feel, though some users may prefer purely metal slickness for ultralight pockets.
List number 3. AirTag Wallet for Men Smart Minimalist Metal Wallet, POP. Ruichi's AirTag-enabled minimalist wallet emphasizes a compact yet capable design, accommodating 8 to 12 cards with RFID blocking and a magnetic closure. The carbon fiber color and aluminum body deliver a sharp, modern aesthetic while maintaining lightness. With an AirTag integration, this wallet targets the same tracking-conscious user as the KickVest model, but at a lower price point. User experience centers on efficient access. The pop-up mechanism provides straightforward card fan-out, and the ID window plus magnetic closure add practical daily use features. However, given its lighter construction compared to some premium options, users should monitor wear at the hinge and pop-up interface with frequent use. Its 26 gram to 110 grams weight range, as per listed weight 110 grams, places it in a comfortable pocket without excessive bulk. The AirTag holder is functional, though the AirTag is not included, so budget-conscious buyers should factor that omission into the total cost if they want full tracking capability.
List number 4 is Furid Smart Wallet for Men Slim RFID Minimalist Pop-Up Wallets with Money Clip Metal Credit Card Holder.
Furid's budget-friendly option focuses on a slim profile with a quick-draw press-to-fan mechanism and a robust aluminum magnetic closure design. It promises to hold 12-plus cards and cash with a leather exterior and a metal interior for durability. The included money clip supports more than a handful of bills, while the RFID shielding guards against unauthorized scans. This makes it an attractive value option for buyers seeking a compact, feature-rich wallet at a fraction of premium models. In everyday usage, the Quick Draw feature shines for fast transaction flows, especially in fast-paced environments like transit hubs or busy retail settings. The magnetic closure adds security and helps keep content secure, though customers should be mindful of card orientation to avoid magnetic interference with certain cards. The leather and aluminum combination gives a good balance of tactile quality and ruggedness, but it may not have the same ultra-premium feel as aluminum or carbon fiber-only designs. Overall, a strong value pick for those who want a capable wallet without paying premium prices.
List number 5. Slim Aluminum Cardholder Wallet for Men. Seymour's Slim Aluminum Cardholder is a compact, expandable backplate wallet designed for maximum card capacity in a minimalist form. It uses an enhanced injection button to pop up cards and an expandable backplate that can hold additional cards with RFID and NFC blocking to protect sensitive data. The black finish and aluminum construction emphasize durability and a sleek, modern look, while remaining very wallet-friendly at $12.99. The design aims to deliver a high card count without the bulk of a traditional bifold, making it ideal for front pocket carry and minimalists who still need multiple cards. From a performance perspective, the combination of a pop-up mechanism and expandable backplate allows flexible organization, up to 12-plus cards plus cash depending on card thickness. The silicone retention strip helps keep cards secure during transit, reducing the chance of loss. Weight at around 2.6 ounces keeps it lightweight, though some users may still prefer a completely metal feel for confidence in long-term durability. Maintenance-wise, the aluminum body resists wear well, but the pop-up mechanism may require periodic lubrication or gentle cleaning to maintain smooth operation over years of daily use.